Hello ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Haywai. As you all know, on this channel we bring crypto reviews, tips, and how you can make money online generally. And like I always say, anything I say on this channel is not a financial advice. They're just a form of education and what I do for myself. I see that it's paid, so I try to share it with my people. So if you are new on this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and also click the like button so you can get more videos like this as I drop them in the future. And today we'll be talking about Binance. Are you new to Binance? Are you new to this ecosystem? Binance is a crypto exchange that has a lot of products that can help you, that can help your journey in trading crypto. And I'll be showing you around how the website looks like. This is the web page of Binance.com. As you can see, I'm on my dashboard right now. I will take you through the apps as well. If you're on your computer, this is what it will look like. This is what it will look like when you get to your computer. You register. You can use the link in the comment section, description section below to register yourself. You do the identification, you find the identification. Okay. Depending on what you want, you first need to register. When you register yourself, you sign up, you put your real address there because you're going to you need to verify your account with your ID card or passport or driver's license, and your phone number. This is the identification. You click the identification here. So right now I'm verified. So you ask your country of origin, your region, you fill it there. You put your name, proof of address. These are what they want: personal information, government issue ID, facial recognition, proof of address. They will review it and they will get back to you. So these are the features. You'll be able to withdraw 50,000 daily, unlimited crypto deposit. I've completed my own verification. If you want to start your own, you click start now. That is after you have registered. Don't forget to use the link below. If you use the link below, you're gonna get 10% when you load your Binance. You give 10% for using that link. Don't forget. So you use it. It depends on what you want. As for me right now, this is my I have 50,000 daily in fiat deposits. I have 2 million daily in some deposits and withdrawal. So because I've verified to some extent, you can use it for a lot of things, which I will quickly show you right now. We go back to this place. You see, they have a lot of products: buy crypto, markets, trades, derivatives, and finance, NFT, products, download, depending on the ones you want. Let's say you want to buy crypto. There are a lot of ways you can buy crypto here. You can pay with bank account, bank deposit, credit card. I use credit card, my debit card. I just load my card, like UBA card or any card, prepaid card. I will load it. I buy crypto with this card and it's less expensive. You can use P2P. You can also use P2P trading. If you use P2P trading, you see many people who are trying to transact on Binance to sell or to buy. So when you use P2P, you can pay them through your bank account or whichever means they are willing to take the money. It's a form of escrow that we hold their crypto, and immediately if you have not clicked the paid, they will not release the crypto. They will hold their crypto. And once you initiate the transaction, it's a very safe form of transacting on P2P. Let's go to the app because it's like the website is loaded and it's a bit slow. So this is the application. This is the app. If you want the app, you just need to, if you are on Android, you just need to search. Just need to go to Play Store you search for Binance, and you download the application. If you search here, yeah, search for Binance. You see Binance. Yeah, this is the Binance app, and this is it. So you will download it. Don't forget, this is the original application. This is how it looks like. So when you download it that way to bring you there, don't forget I walk you through that web page. You can register from the web page, verify on the web page, register from the web page first, and download the app, sign in with your ID and password on the app, and do your verification through your app. You can use your phone to get your IDs and the facial verification, and it will go that way. So let's say this is the application, this is overview. Anytime, so I was talking about P2P. Let's click trades. You see, when you click trades, this is P2P. If you want to load your money with P2P, if you want to buy some money with P2P, you see now, you see people USDT, BTC, BUSD and stuff. Anyone you want to buy, this is buy, this is sell. Yeah, this is P2P. We have Express. Express is you just input the amount you want, and once you initiate it, they pair you with one verified merchant that will initiate the transaction for you, and that is how that works. Or you get people yourself. If you have P2P, you see you have a lot of people who want to sell. Okay, you just click sell here. Sell. You can sell. If you want to sell me, if you want to buy, you click buy, and you initiate the transaction. But as a newcomer, I will advise you to use Express. Express is direct. The amount you want to buy. Once you buy this, once you initiate the transaction like that, it will reflect in your spot wallet. When you click wallet here, there is wallet here. When you click wallet, you click spot. Click spot wallet. All the amounts you have will reflect here. Spot wallet. This is the overview. You can click overview as well. This is the amount I have right now on this place. It will. So we have overview. Spot funding is when you are transferring money out. Maybe you want to sell to somebody on P2P using your bank account and stuff. You transfer the money to funding. Let's say the money is in spot. You see this transfer. You click on transfer from spot wallet to funding. Okay, this is the currency. Maybe it's BTC. Put the amount you want to 0.202, something like that, and you will confirm the transfer. You see, from spot wallet to funding. That is when you are using P2P. You want to transfer money out. You want to sell it. Maybe you have made some money. You want to sell it to some people on P2P. So you use transfer or withdraw. You can also, if you want to use withdraw, let's say you want to withdraw Matic, send to crypto network. You copy the wallet you want to withdraw to, paste it here. The automatic is the wallet. Binance, is it on Binance, is it Polygon wallet, is it Ethereum? Choose one of these chains. Let's say it's Binance P20. You put the amount here, then you initiate the withdrawal using this place. So it is not something hard. You just need to get Binance is a very good application. Also, they have a lot of programs like Binance. Okay, buy crypto I use, like I was showing you the other time. If you want to buy USDT, I have my card on this app. Just fill in 25,000 naira. Then you continue until give you. This is my card. This is 461 NGN per dollars. So you're gonna pay to give you all these details. And you will initiate it. Just initiate it. This is how I buy with my card. You can also use P2P. You can also use bank details to buy as well. They also have hand. This N is when you are staking. You see, you can stake USDT, you can stake BTC, BNB, BUSD. You can stake them. You can do auto invest as well. Auto invest is when you add your card and you make Binance to remove the money every now and then. Just log in and you can do the auto invest. They have a lot of programs, and let's say we are trying to stake or save USDT. It's just that it's just like you're putting your money in a bank. You put your USDT. This is stable coin. It doesn't really change. They have fixed savings, dual investment, liquidity farming, staking. These are advanced form of crypto that I will do a special video on it. So all these fixed savings. So you just be removing your money every now and then with the percentage of 10% every year. That's how much it will appreciate if you leave this money, if you lock it up for a year using this Binance Hen. They have it for BNB, they have it for BTC. You have swap farming. These are advanced ones that you can. I will do a video on it in the future. They have a lot of applications, a lot of products. So when you click more like that, you see all the products they have: settle card, orders, deposit, Binance Academy. If you really want to know more, you can click Binance Academy. They also have NFTs. You can buy NFTs there. This one will teach you everything you need to know about Binance. That's Binance Academy. Binance NFT. I saw it recently. Okay, Binance NFT. They have NFT space that you can buy and sell NFT as well if you are interested in NFTs. Binance is a whole lot of things. They have a whole lot of products that you can make money from, that you can invest in. They have a lot of NFT. Look at this one right now. Ghost Tiger is selling for 948 BUSD. You see, if you like it, you have done research on it, you can buy it and let it stay there for some time. If you want to sell it, you can sell it. This is Binance NFTs marketplace. You can see we are on the application. Don't forget, if you're on the computer, is different from this one. The interface is different. Home page, marketplace, mystery boxes, users. So these are the things they have. These are their products. These are their products. These are the things people have posted there. Maybe something brought you here. You can initiate your transaction. The home page. This is the home page. They have a whole lot of stuff. Binance is a very serious application that you can use. What else can I show you? Gift and campaigns. They have reward center, task centers, Binance Live. You play around with it. Gift cards. If you want to trade, let's say you are trying to trade. You are a trader. You came in because of trade. This is how you initiate your trade. This is buy. This is sell. This is limit. Limit means maybe when the price reaches a particular place, as people, some people are. It's good for arbitrage. Some people are pasting some kind of amount here. If you want it, just put it here. But if it is market price, click market price and you initiate your transaction. You see, you initiate the transaction and you buy. If you want to sell, you click here, you sell. So that is how that works. If it is futures, you can also do futures if you are into trading. But future is just risky. You have to be very advanced in trading before you can do futures. This feature right now, yes, it's like 50 times the leverage. They give you leverage. Maybe you have, let's say you have $10, you want to do future, when you get leverage of 50, you have trading with $500. If it goes against you, it can quickly wipe out your funds. So you have to be very careful when you are doing leverage. Coin hem, this one is 100 times. So all these things you can use Binance for. This is features options. They also have options. Options is call and put. maybe you say Bitcoin will get to this social amount at this time. It has a call. It will fall down below this social amount of time that is put. So call and put. If you are option type, you can do options here as well. These are challenges, battles, like a challenge, like trading challenge on Binance. If you're interested in that, you can do all those things. Markets, in the market, it will bring you different types of coins they have. As you can see, their pairs. As you can see, the way they pair them, you have a lot of coins that you can trade depending on what you want and why you are on Binance. Just try to take it through as a beginner on Binance. Don't forget to use the link down below to register and to verify your account. Is very important. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, because I'll be dropping another video on Binance on how you can make money without even having any money. How you can make money on Binance. There are a lot of ways you can make money on Binance. So this is all I have for you right now. I believe you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please share it with your friends and keep coming back to this channel, and help this channel to grow by liking it and sharing it with your friends. Thank you for listening, and see you on the next one.